Hello everyone, this is Anisha from Vibha Jewellers. In Vibha Jewellers, we are expertise in Kundan and Nakshi jewelry. So do visit our store in Manikonda for latest collection. We have a lot of new designs available in the store and I'm going to show you a few sample pieces in this episode. It's a very beautiful Kundan har, Kundan necklace I must say. It's a very short set but it's very broad. So it has a detachable pendant here. The highlight for the set is the big polkis in the center. These are very nice white colors. So the rubies and emeralds are all surrounding the polkis in the between. So it has all emerald drops and a nice pair of jhumkas to go with it. This set here is in 125 grams and just the necklace will cost around 10 lakhs. With the gold price today, this set coming in 10 lakhs is in very good budget. So people looking for very good finishing designs in very less weight, you can definitely visit Vibha Jewellers. We are having a lot of good designs like this which are very budget friendly. At the same time, the finishing, the workmanship, everything is brilliant here. So do visit us. I'll be showing you some other design now. Beautiful mango heart. Look at the finishing and the workmanship here. It's very beautiful and the locket also is very big in this. So it's a very long length haram mango heart. So mango hearts are complete traditional pieces. They are in trend from 100 years I can say, because everyone, all of our grandmothers also used to have a mango har, and now also it's in trend. So people looking for a piece that will stay with you guys for a very long time, you should definitely invest in a mango har. So this mango har here has a surprise element to it. It's not just a polki mango har. The back side of it is in ruby. So, tan-ta-da, see, it has a nice kundan design, nice rubies and emeralds on the other side. So, you don't have to stick with one color for the mango har, you can have both the colors. So, this set here is in 19.5 tulas. It's very big. You have to come to the store to look at the, the craftsmanship of it. It's very beautifully carved. The size also, this is more than a 1.5 inch. So it should be, it's a very beautiful piece and it's very grand. So it's a very nice bridal design I can say. So this mango har is in 195 grams. So approximate budget will be around 18 lakhs. Do visit us in Vibha Jewellers to get to know more about this set. This polki set here again is a very nice choker. So it goes well for anybody trying to get a nice kundan choker. So the weight of this will be around 120 grams. So it's a very beautiful piece. The locket itself is, locket here is detachable. So sometimes if you're feeling adventurous, you can wear this big locket as a mang tikka and just wear the set as it is. So that will also give you a very different look. The earrings are also very pretty. They're very nice long earrings. So the polkis in it are giving the beautiful shine. So in Vibha Jewellers, the polki prices are also very reasonable and the cut clarity, everything is excellent. You can see the clarity of the polkis in our sets. We have nice syndicate polki we use in all the polki sets. So you have resale also. The resale process of jewelry in our store is very convenient because we write and give it to you on your slip when you're taking it only. The gold is weight to weight and the polkis are 70% resale and all that. So it's easy and you can easily come and purchase jewelry. The next set that I'm showing you here is a nice big temple haram. So temple haram literally is there in this. All these are like small gopurams on top of the Lakshmi Devi, and inside that gopuram also there is a Lakshmi Devi there. So it's a very pretty design. It has a lot of carvings in it. It's a very traditional piece. So people looking for some artistic jewelry which is very traditional and goes well with all your Kanchi sarees and Banaras sarees, you should opt for something like this. It's a very gaudy design I should say, because the width itself, this is in 2.5 inches approximately, 2 to 2.5 I should say, and the pendant also is very big and there's another small pendant dangling below it. So it's overall a very unique design. Though it has all Lakshmi Devis and peacocks in it, the design itself makes it very unique. So as usual, this bottom locket is detachable. So if you want, you can wear it as a mang tikka or you can just attach it to the set and wear it. The jhumkas here are also in nice, uh, pretty size. So the weight of the jhumkas is 42 grams. It's a good size jhumka, and the balls and the peacocks, everything is very pretty in the jhumkas here. We can make the jhumkas detachable also if you'd like to use just the stud. So that option also we have, and any sort of other customizations that you want to add, you can definitely do. And you can definitely design your own jewelry in Vibha Jewelers. Whatever ideas, thoughts you have, you can incorporate that into your jewelry. So do visit us, do visit Vibha Jewelers. We have a lot of good collection, and the pricing is very, very reasonable. We are manufacturers and wholesalers also, so the pricing and the transparency of doing business is very beautiful in our store. So you should just come visit us once and tell us your thoughts.